Now, if you want to check the or if you want to fix the check VSC Lexus IS250, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you want to not panic here. So, you want to check what else is actually lit up. So, you want to check the or when the VSC appear or check VSC appears here, you want to look closely at the dashboard. Now, if you also see like the check engine or the track off light and VSC's system is being disabled because another issue was detected. So fixing that root issue usually clears the VSC warning too. So next thing they want to do is want to check the gas cap first. So you want to turn the engine off and check the gas cap. Now if it's loose or damaged, tighten it until it clicks. Now bad seal or trigger emission faults that disables VSC. So drive for a short while and see if the light actually clears. Now, next is you want to use an OBD2 scanner to read the stored codes. Even a basic scanner works, so codes like P0171 or P0100 or somewhere in between, or wheel speed sensor errors often explain why the VSC shuts off. Now, also you may want to inspect the brake light switch. So faulty brake light switch is very common to the IS250 issue. Now, if brake lights act strange or stay on, VSC and traction control can stop working, so replacing the switch is cheap and often fixes everything at once. Now, also, you may want to check the wheel speed sensor and wiring. So look behind each wheel or for damaged sensor wires, or heavy dirt buildup. The SC depends on accurate wheel speed data, and one bad sensor can trigger the warning. And also, you want to clear the codes and test drive it. Now, after fixing the issue, clear the codes with the scanner and take a short drive here. Now, if the light stays off, the problem is resolved. Now, if the warning light comes back, immediately, well, further diagnosis is needed. Now, if the check VSC message stays on with multiple warning lights on or the car drives abnormally here, professional diagnostics are recommended. Now, some VSC issues require dealer level tools. And that's about it. So for this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.